Now in this section we are going to discuss the Dialux. So what is a Dialux or Dialux? It is a free software where you can design, calculate and visualize the light professionally. You can use Dialux for lighting inside the single rooms, whole floors, buildings and outdoor scenes. As in this section we are going to make the lighting or do the lighting for a whole floor and do the lighting for a playground and street lighting. The Dialux is used as a planning tool by over 680,000 lighting designers worldwide. The Dialux constantly undergoes further development and meets the requirements of the modern lighting design and lighting calculation. You can also plan and design using the electronic luminaire catalogs of the world's leading luminaire manufacturers. Using the CAD data of other architectural programs like AutoCAD, you can create your own lighting design. So what are we going to do in this section? We are going to take a plan or architecture plan and add it to the Dialux and then start creating the rooms and adding the luminaires and using of course the catalog of a company called Emco. And you can also use the catalog of any other companies like Philips and so on. You can download it from the internet for free of course. So that is simply what's meant by Dialux. Dialux is simply a free software by a company called Dial, which designs of course luminaires, and the Dialux is a program used to do the lighting design. So we are going to discuss in this section how to do the lighting design.